Hello to all you amazing prime risk traders. Today, I'm going to teach you about an indicator with a win rate of over 90%. Yes, you heard that right. Not just one strategy, but you're going to learn two incredible strategies with this indicator that will make trading much easier for you. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll see you after the intro. We start by going to the TradingView website and selecting the multi-kernel regression chart prime version from the indicator section. As you can see, this indicator is extremely useful in identifying trends. One of the most important features of this indicator is having a moving average, which can be used to roughly determine the market direction. When it turns red, the market is in a bearish phase, and when it turns green, it indicates a bullish phase. However, trading solely based on the moving average color change isn't enough. This is just an initial analysis to understand approximately where we are in the market. Additionally, when the moving average's colors switch back and forth consecutively, it indicates that we are in a ranging phase. To get the best results from this indicator, we need to make some adjustments to its settings. Go to the Indicator Settings section. From the Kernel Select section, change the value to Gaussian. Then scroll down a bit, tick the Labels section, and click OK. Unlike other indicators that show the market's past, this indicator is entirely focused on the current market. As you can see, even the moving average covers only a portion of the past and is primarily centered on the current market. One of the best time frames for this indicator is the 1-hour time frame, which I personally use a lot. Entry method. The multi-indicator, using its labels, shows us the exact entry point. For example, the first signal it issued was a down signal. Upon seeing this signal, we prepare for a sell position, but we must ensure that the moving average color matches our signal. In this case, where a sell signal was issued, the moving average must also turn red. As shown here, the signal was issued, and the moving average turned red, so we can enter the sell position with the next candle. Since the moving average color hadn't changed on the first candle, our final confirmation, which is the color change, appears on the second candle, and we enter the sell position at this point. Place the stop loss behind the previous low for a safe spot, and the target can be set at 1.5 to 2 times the risk. Again, after the previous position, the indicator issued a buy signal. Wait for one candle to confirm the moving average color change, and after it turns green, you can enter the buy position on the second candle. Always place the stop loss in a safe spot. Here, behind the previous high is a suitable location. Set the target at twice the risk, and we can see the target is beautifully hit. If you've enjoyed the video so far, a small like from you means a lot to us. Now, let's review the other signals the indicator gave us and see what their outcomes would have been if we had entered. Here, we received a sell signal. Enter on the second candle, place the stop loss behind the previous low, and set a target twice the risk. Since we are entering at reversal points, you can consider larger targets like 3 or 4 times the risk, but initially try sticking to the primary targets. The target was beautifully hit. A bit lower, we have a buy signal. Enter on the second candle with the moving average confirmation. Place the stop loss below the same range since there is no previous low here, and set the target at twice the risk. Again, the target is beautifully hit. Second strategy. If we go to the indicator settings and tick the deviation option, a band forms. Preferably, do not change its value. Just click OK. As you can see, a band forms around the moving average, and they change color in the same direction. You can also use this band to enter trades. For example, whenever the price reaches the bottom of this band, By seeing a candlestick confirmation like a pin bar or engulfing candlestick pattern, we can enter a buy position. For instance, here the price reached the bottom of the band, and after that, a pin bar and an engulfing pattern formed. We can enter one tick above this pin bar candlestick. Place the stop loss below the band, and the take profit can be 1.5 to 2 times the stop loss. For times when the price is in an uptrend, like here, when the price reaches the upper band and you want to enter a sell position, you need to be cautious as you're trading against the trend. For example, here the price hit the upper band, and after that, a red candlestick formed. You can enter the sell position after the close of this red candlestick. Place the stop loss above the same previous candlestick. But for the take profit, since we're entering against the trend, you should be more cautious. For instance, you can set the take profit at the moving average in the middle of the band because the price is more likely to reach the middle moving average. As we reviewed in this video, all the positions the indicator gave us were profitable and had a 100% win rate. However, you must keep in mind that this won't always be the case, as no strategy in the world has a 100% win rate. But with this indicator and the optimized settings we applied, the win rate of this strategy has significantly increased, and the errors have been minimized. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to support us. See you soon.